Hey lovelies, my name is Nellie Robert, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve this green emerald eye look using Real Techniques makeup products. So I'll be using the Rebel Edge brushes to create this look. I love these brushes because they are half fanned and they're slightly angled, so it's perfect for control. So first off guys, I'm going to apply my transition color directly to my crease. Now dipping into my Revolution Pro Regeneration palette. Now I'm just going to pop that emerald green onto my eyelids. And the brush that I'm using is the Rebel Edge Fine. What I really love about this one is that it's angled, so it really gets into the corners, like where I'm at right now. And we're just gonna apply that to the outer corners of our eyes. So when blending, you can easily lose sight of the green. So I would advise going back over it and packing on a little bit more just to give you the Christmassy feel that you're after. So using my collection Glam Crystals liquid liner, I'm just gonna pop that onto my crease, but literally stop halfway. So I'm gonna create a semi-cut crease. So using the exact same brush and exact same green, I'm just going to pop that beneath my waterline. And now I'm just going to add a dash of black on the lower lash line. And now lashes. Now we're moving on to our tear duct. So still using my Rebel Edge Fine brush, I'm going to dip into this gorgeous gold. So using my Rebel Edge Broad brush, I'm just going to dip into my blusher and I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheek. But this brush is angled and is so soft, it fits perfect. And using my Rebel Edge medium brush, I'm just going to dip into my highlighting palette. Oh, and before I forget, let me just add some to the button of my nose and then my Cupid's bow. And now to complete our look, let's apply our red lipstick. Perfect. So here's the finished look guys. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials, just subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye. Mwah.